Hi there and welcome back to another English video. In this video I want to share with you a common phrasal verb. The phrasal verb for today is pass out. Once again, pass out. Be sure to watch till the end to understand how to use it. Okay, let's kick off this video. Pass out means to become unconscious. One more time, to become unconscious. And pass out is a synonym of faint. Let's look at some examples. When he heard the news, he passed out. When he heard the news, he passed out. I mean he became unconscious. Let's take another example. Jack felt dizzy and then passed out. Jack felt dizzy and then passed out. I think the meaning is clear now, isn't it? Now I just want to add some details. When you regain consciousness after passing out, you can use come to, come around, or come around. Let's look at some examples of how to use this point. I have just said Jack felt dizzy and then passed out. When Jack regains his consciousness, we can say he came to after a few minutes. One more time, he came to after a few minutes. To break down, let me explain to you a common situation. Let's say that someone you know had an operation, okay? And the doctor came up to you and said, it'll take a couple of hours for him to come around. It'll take a couple of hours for him to come around. I think all of us know this situation very well. Now close your eyes, imagine that situation and take it as a reminder. Let's take another example. Jack had an operation and then came to after 3 hours. Jack had an operation and then came to after 3 hours. The last example. You might feel dizzy when you come to. You might feel dizzy when you come to. Today we learned pass out, which means to become unconscious, and it's a synonym of faint. But when you regain consciousness, we can say come to, come around, or come around. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and turn on the notifications and check out the other videos if you have time. I hope that this video was useful and I'll see you in the next one.